How to clean a gas stove top. What if I told you, your gas stove could look brand new in under 10 minutes, without expensive cleaners or scrubbing your life away? Most people are cleaning their stove completely wrong, and it's actually making it dirtier. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple method that melts grease, removes burnt stains, and makes your stove shine like it just came out of the box. And wait till you see the trick at the end, it's almost too easy. So imagine this. You finish cooking a great meal, turn around, and boom. Oil splatters, burnt food, sticky mess everywhere. You tell yourself, I'll clean it later. But later becomes tomorrow, then next week, and suddenly your stove looks like it survived a war. Don't worry, this happens to everyone. Today, we're fixing that. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to doing routine cleaning, removing tough messes, and maintaining a clean stovetop. Now let's get started. Things you'll need. 1. Dish soap. 2. Water. 3. Sponge. 4. Dish towel. 5. White vinegar. 6. Commercial oven cleaner. Method 1. Doing routine cleaning. Number 1. Remove grates and burner caps. Fill your sink with a few drops of dish soap and run some warm water. Then, remove the grates and burner caps from the stove and place them in the water to soak. This will help soften any stuck-on food particles. Use mild dish soap such as Dawn or Palmolive. Any soap you would typically use to hand wash dishes will work. Number 2. Wipe the stove with a dry cloth to remove loose food particles. Use a paper towel or dry dish towel to wipe up any loose bits of dried food on the stovetop itself. There is no need to scrub at this stage. The goal is simply to clear any food debris from the area you want to clean. Number 3. Clear the fuel ports and remove any blockages. Examine the fuel ports of all the burners. Sometimes, burnt bits of food can clog the fuel ports, preventing your stove from lighting properly or creating a burning hazard. To clear any food material, use a small object such as a paperclip to pick any burnt food out of the port. If there are lots of food bits blocking the port, you can use a dry toothbrush to gently brush debris away from the port. Number 4. Scrub the stovetop with dish soap and water. Use the scrubbing side of a wet sponge and a few drops of dish soap to scrub the stovetop. Work in circular motions to remove stubborn spills, wringing and re-wetting sponge as it gets dirty. Be careful not to use too much water when cleaning the stovetop, as it can make the fuel ports saturated. Wring your sponge regularly while cleaning. If the fuel ports get too wet, they will temporarily have trouble igniting. When they dry out, this problem will resolve. Number 5. Rinse the stovetop with water and dry with a clean towel. When you're finished cleaning the stove with the soap, rinse the sponge completely. Then wipe the stovetop once more with just water to rinse. Dry with a clean dish towel. Number 6. Scrub grates and burner caps with soap and water. Use your scrubbing sponge to clean the grates and burner caps that have been soaking in the soapy solution in the sink. The food bits on them should have softened and will come off easily. Rinse them with plain water once you've scrubbed off all food bits, drying with a clean dish towel. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Removing tough messes. Number 1. Heat a wet towel. If the crust of food on your stove isn't coming off with soap and water, try a towel mask. Wet a dish towel, wring it, and warm it in the microwave for 30 seconds. If your microwave is particularly powerful, be careful of any hot steam coming off the towel when you open the microwave. Number 2. Cover stuck-on grime with your warm towel. Use the damp, warm towel to cover any stuck-on bits on the stove, leaving the towel in place for 15 minutes. You can repeat this step several times. The warm steam helps loosen stuck-on gunk on the stove. When the mess on the stove is loose, scrub as normal with warm water and soap. Number 3. Use a solution of white vinegar and water. If soap and water alone aren't cutting the grime on your stove, you can create a mix of 50% white vinegar and 50% water as a homemade cleaning solution. Scrub your stove using the solution with the rough side of a sponge. Number 4. Rinse the vinegar water solution. When finished, rinse your sponge and clean the stove with plain water to cut the strong smell of the vinegar. Dry the stovetop with a clean kitchen towel. It may help to open a window for ventilation. Number 5. Employ a commercial oven cleaner. If your stains have been set for months, you may want to try a commercial over cleaner on the stovetop, such as Easy Off Oven Cleaner or Goo Gone Oven Cleaner. As most stovetops and ovens are made of the same materials, a solution that is cleared for your oven should be no issue on the stove. Follow the cleaner's directions carefully, ventilating the area if necessary. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Maintaining a clean stovetop. Number 1. Clean your stovetop once a week. Cleaning your stove once a week will minimize surface grime. The more often you do routine cleanings, the less frequently you will need to do serious deep cleans with a hot towel or commercial cleaning solution. Put a regular cleaning reminder on your calendar so you don't forget. Number 2. Clean food right when it spills or boils over. Stovetops can be difficult to clean because food that spills or boils over usually gets charred onto the stove by the heat. This sets the stain and makes it more difficult to remove. Make a habit of wiping up any spilled messes right after they occur to keep food from getting fused to the stovetop by the heat. Number 3. Spend 10 minutes cleaning at the end of the meal. When you're cleaning pots and pans at the end of a meal, run your sponge over the stovetop to clean up the mess created by your cooking too. By implementing this simple 10-minute routine, you can avoid marathon cleaning sessions. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Wiping spills right after cooking prevents them from hardening and becoming difficult to remove later. 2. Letting grates and burner caps soak in warm soapy water loosens grease and saves scrubbing time. 3. A warm, damp towel placed over grime helps break down burnt food without harsh scrubbing. 4. A 50-50 solution is effective for cutting grease and is safer than many chemical cleaners. 5. Regular light cleaning reduces the need for heavy-duty deep cleaning sessions. Warnings. 1. Too much water can block ignition temporarily and may cause safety issues. 2. Steam can cause burns. Handle with caution when removing or unfolding. 3. Harsh scrubbers can scratch the stovetop surface, especially glass or stainless steel. 4. Products like oven cleaners can release strong fumes. Always open windows or use fans. 5. Cleaning a hot stove can cause burns or damage cleaning tools like sponges and towels. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Now here's the crazy part. Once you clean your stove this way just once, you'll never let it get dirty again. Because you'll realize, it's actually easy. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button, because I break down simple home hacks that save you time and effort.